Have you ever tried to find an interior trim piece at a junkyard, only to find that the color you need to match your interior is not available? The good news is, changing the color of interior trim is not difficult. In this video, I'll walk through the process of changing the color of interior trim. I need to change the color of this piece from light gray to black. For this purpose, I am using products from SEM, who makes various products specifically for this purpose. Irrespective of the products that you're using, the first step is preparing the workpiece. After disassembling the trim, I first lightly scuff the surface of the parts using 320 grit sandpaper. Scuffing the surface will allow the color coat to better adhere, resulting in a better finished product. This is also the time to remove any scratches or blemishes that may be present. After scuffing the surfaces of the pieces, I lightly mist them with water and wipe them with the microfiber cloth to remove any contaminants from the surface. Note that I'm wiping from side to side rather than in a circle to ensure that I'm actually removing contaminants versus just smearing them around. After the pieces have dried, I apply 2 coats of SEM plastic adhesion promoter. Per the instructions, the first coat is a light coat and I allow it to flash for 5 minutes before applying the second coat. The second coat is a medium coat, and it requires drying for 15 minutes before applying the color. Note that it should not dry for more than 30 minutes before applying the color. This product will allow the color coat to better adhere to the workpiece. After the second coat of adhesion promoter is set for 15 minutes, it is time to apply the color coat. I'm using SEM Trim Black, and the instructions specify 3 to 5 coats, with 3 to 5 minutes of flash time between coats. Following the instructions, I applied 4 coats of the SEM Trim Black. Between the last 2 coats, I did apply a coat of pure black to get a darker color to better match my interior, as I felt that the Trim Black appeared to be more of a dark gray versus a pure black. After the workpiece is fully dried, it is time to reinstall it and admire the finished product. I hope that you found this video helpful and that it has provided some new options for when you're searching for replacement trim pieces when modifying or repairing your vehicle. Until next time, this has been Grav's Garage.